I mean, you got AIDS. UTC crab eater.
Okay.
Seems like he's got some.
What are you doing to him? I see your butt.
Shut up.
Why?
I must see if his butt is feeling okay.
Sniff it. Sniff it.
I'm not sniffing the butt. Are you mentally okay?
No.
Shut up, baby.
No. When am I gonna go? That looks fun.
Okay, he definitely has AIDS. Your turn.
Yay! Ow! Boy, ow! This is fun.
Now to follow me with the camera with the two babies.
What are you doing to my children? Don't! What are you doing? Let's go to dinner.
They're having dinner.
Okay.
We must stop it now. They have been in there long enough. Here are the two babies.
Are they warm? Oh yeah.
Stop touching your babies. Sit down. You start them now, and follow me.
I just sat down.
Okay, shut up. So why you focus on me? No, stop it. Stop it, camera guy. Okay. So you guys will be talking to me while he goes make some superheroes. Okay. So while he's
Thank you.
doing some weird stuff to babies, I will be talking to you. Well, there's not much to know about me except my name is Dr. Third.
Don't look over here.
My friendly assistant is going to make them superheroes. So let's get a good angle on my eye. He is right now putting oil on the baby. Okay, he is now going to transform them into superheroes. Okay, I do not know what he does not know. I do know.
What's going on?
How do you feel?
I don't feel any different. I just. What smells?
Are you okay?
What smell? Why does he get to be normal, but I have to be changed? Oh, this will happen to you too. But I don't want it to happen.
You know what? What are you going to call yourself?
Poop man.
You just thrown. We are definitely not abusive. Okay. Look at this baby. Yeah, he's just gonna do that to the baby. I gotta do some touches.
This is the wrong one.
Oh my gosh. I think we have transformed a weird default. Stop putting in his face like that. He is definitely normal. He is normal. Oh my gosh, a burglar is holding him. Look at that.
I'm
What's that?
I'm normal.
Yes, now he will transform. Ooga booga inga, ooga booga aga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga. Okay, he will tell us when he is finished doing whatever he is doing. And so yeah. Okay, now to look at the freaking chicken.
What? Is something wrong?
And then your eye moves by itself. What? Poop man over here. Let me just grab a poop man for a sec.
Then I get to be a chicken. Hey, why do you smell so much? You need to take a shower, bro. Oh, what is that?
What's up, you guys? Poop man here. Poop man. Poop man knows how to fly, you guys. So Poop man Fly! Poop man fails. Okay, okay, that was a wrap for today. We are gonna show you the actors of this.
Wait. One more thing.
He does that. He does that sometimes. Yes. He goes ooga booga.
Ooga booga.
Ooga booga. So here's one of the cast members. He likes to dance, and so now he's gonna show you me.
Okay, guys, that was the end.
Okay, my name is Dr. Turd, and I will be controlling him.
That was your rapist, man.
Kick in the face. So yeah, I'm good. And for a whole view, I'm single and ready to mingle.
No.
Do not know what that means. Anyways, that's it. End of the video. Anyways, subscribe and like. That's that butt. That's nice butt.